Arch Linux KDE versus GNOME. Which Linux desktop is better? Choosing the right Linux desktop environment can completely change how you experience your system without compromising performance or usability. KDE and GNOME offer distinct approaches to desktop computing. KDE and GNOME are two popular desktop environments for Arch Linux, each with unique design philosophies. KDE focuses on customization and feature-rich interfaces, while GNOME emphasizes simplicity and streamlined user experience, defining how users interact with their system. KDE Plasma is a highly customizable desktop environment, designed for flexibility and power users. It works by providing a modular interface where users can adjust widgets, panels, and themes extensively, tailoring the desktop to their preferences. KDE uses the Qt framework, delivering smooth animations and responsive performance even on moderate hardware. Its strengths lie in comprehensive settings, rich multimedia integration, and support for a wide range of applications. However, this richness can sometimes lead to complexity for new users and a slightly higher resource usage compared to minimalist desktops. Ideal users are those who want control over every detail of their desktop experience, including developers, creatives, and Linux enthusiasts, who appreciate customization without sacrificing functionality. Arch Linux users benefit from KDE's adaptability, making it a perfect match for those who want both power and polish in their workflow. GNOME is a desktop environment focused on simplicity, ease of use, and a clean, modern interface. Built on the GTK framework, GNOME offers a consistent and minimalistic design that reduces distractions and streamlines workflows. It works by providing a fixed layout with fewer customization options, emphasizing productivity through an intuitive activities overview and integrated search. Its strengths include stability, accessibility, and efficient resource usage, making it suitable for systems with limited hardware. However, the limited customization might feel restrictive for users who prefer tweaking their environment extensively. GNOME is ideal for users who want a straightforward, distraction-free experience with a focus on essential features and accessibility. For Arch Linux users, GNOME offers a polished and reliable desktop that integrates well with system components, perfect for those who prioritize simplicity and consistency over granular control. Choosing between KDE and GNOME on Arch Linux depends on your priorities. KDE excels in customization and visual appeal, allowing users to personalize almost every aspect of their desktop, which is great for those who enjoy tweaking their environment. It's better suited for powerful machines, but remains efficient. GNOME, on the other hand, offers a clean, distraction-free workspace with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. It uses fewer resources and is ideal for users who want a consistent and stable experience without delving into settings. If you prefer a feature-packed and flexible desktop, KDE is the way to go. For a minimalistic and straightforward workflow, GNOME fits better. Both integrate well with Arch Linux, but the trade-off is between customization versus simplicity. Choose KDE Plasma if you want a highly customizable, visually rich desktop with advanced features and don't mind spending time tailoring your environment. Opt for GNOME if you prefer a clean, efficient, and user-friendly desktop that prioritizes simplicity and accessibility. Both desktops offer solid experiences on Arch Linux, so your choice depends on whether customization or streamlined usability matters most to you.